Sorry? Yeah.
Okay, put everything back on.
Yeah, sure. Lovely Rochdale has been done. I've got 2 more jobs now to do, and both of them in the Leeds. So the first one is just literally here. I think the shop is that one. Never been there. This one. I think the parking is just in front or something like that. My meal deal already with me. Yeah, now will be better. The next shop is just 400 yards from here. Not so bad. Let's go. Leeds is quite a nice city. Just I don't like do the deliveries and downtown. Too busy on weekdays. Where is my green? Come on. Here we go. Yeah, green. This is why I like it. Here is my green. No green. Okay. Here we go. Again red. I said I like green. Jesus. Here we go. Oh, what a ship. Yeah, it's quite nice here. A lot of students. City is alive when students in. Yeah, it says. Oh my God! How we need get in there. It's okay. Oh, too fast. Be gently, smoothly. Up. Here we go. Easy peasy. Just where is my shop now? I don't know. I got no clue where I need to park up. If I see any cages that I could recognize. Oh my God, what's going on? Wow. I know, I see cages there. Oh my god. Fucking hell, I hope so I'm gonna have any tires after this. So many glasses. Oh my god. Jesus. So must be here, my cage is there. So I just literally need to block this road. That's it. Easy peasy. And I need to check my tires as well. Is there any left after those glasses? Take thinks I need to move forward a little bit. The glass bottle is just too weak glass to get in the time. Let's go. This is where trucks have to drive. Not cars, not bikes, but trucks. Oh, gonna get past. Yeah, easy. Easy peasy. Just need to spin around for me. Don't worry, don't rush you. What canal? Can't see anything. I hope so, I hope so. Oh, didn't see this car. Let's go. No time for games. I need here. is this building? Looks quite fancy. Why you don't work? Got stuck? What do you? Okay. I need here. Oh, I bet I need here as well. Oh, sorry chaps. And I need to get there. Race car. Okay, the race driver, come down. Well, this is it. I'm back to depot. So I think I done today about 8.5, not full 9 hours. But I feels like I done 12-hour shift, to be honest. Feels knackered. Hope so tomorrow gonna be something better than today. I don't like to do the 2 runs. I better do 1 run and 3 drops than 2 runs and still 3 drops. But you know, you still have to come back to the depot to swap the trailers. Go to transport, do some extra drops. I better lay down in the bed than working in the transports. And yeah, we still get for 9 hours, even if I done 8.5. The minimum guarantee is 9 hours to pay. But I still made about 200 pounds today, I think. I will double check, we'll show you soon later. And then yeah, I made 200, yeah, about 200, because this weekend, normal day you won't get that for 9 hours, that's for sure. So see you next time.